a really quick look at the TINTALK air fryer. It comes with tongs, a really cute oven mitt that you can use to get your trays and things out, the instruction manual, a recipe book that has 50 recipes. There is the air fryer basket. There is a removal for the basket, the rod for the basket. If you open it up, the door is going to shut it off, which is fine. It comes with this type of rack that slides in, a grill plate, which is really super neat. I've never seen an air fryer come with a grill plate, so I'm excited about using this one. And then there is the typical air fryer basket, and then the drip plate is down here, and it removes so it's easy to clean. I'm going to close it really quick. To turn it on, you push this button. Then you can see it does fries, wings, grill for steaks. There's pizza, toast, fish, chicken, and even dehydrate, which I dehydrate a lot of food, so I like having an option that I can use as a second dehydrator. There's a light that you can press on, press off. There's a reheat, rotisserie, which I don't use on my air fryers, but if you like to do rotisserie, and then there's different, you can heat an element on the top, the bottom, or both, which is extremely helpful if you're doing 2 trays, less turning. So yeah, I think you would turn it here. This is your degrees, this is your minutes. Overall, it is a really neat looking air fryer. I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it. And the first thing I'm gonna do in mine is some asparagus. Yeah, so there's a look at that TINTALK and everything you get in it for the price.